Hello brothers and sisters, it's 11:05 Central Standard Time on January 20th, and I'd like to bring to everyone's attention why I do this. Okay, I don't do this for fame, I don't do this for fortune, I don't do it for attention, I really don't. If I was a multi-billionaire, guess what? I'd still be doing this. Doesn't matter how many followers I've got, I'd still be doing this because I actually love doing this. I love spreading the word and trying to help people out. We're here at Calcutta, 120.97 meters cubed of nitrous dioxide. Just a little bit north of that, of Dhanbad 103. Okay, Lahore, it says 115, but let's see what it really is, huh? Ooh, 111. I bet you we can get it higher than that, too. Yep, 134. New Delhi, they're showing 101.82. Now, I don't mean to just be picking on India, and I apologize for anybody that's there. We got 112, 114. Now, this is just nitrous dioxide, okay? Let's come over and take a look at PM 2.5. Oh, yeah. Dhanbad, 118. Calcutta, 161. Let's come up here and check out Lahore. They're reporting 152, and I'm at 168. They go, oh, 175, 179 I saw. Ooh. Now, how is this bad? What can all this do? I mean, besides the obvious, please go look up the side effects of these things. Look up the side effects. What are the effects of high PM 2.5 levels and nitrous dioxide levels and ozone? Go look it up. But there's a reason why I do this, okay? And I'm hoping that everybody kind of pays attention to this. Right over here on YouTube, what are you looking at? Rarest of the rare, two-headed calf born in northeast India. This is why I'm choosing this one today. It's alive. Calf with two heads in extremely rare condition was recently as northeast Mati district. Look at this. How many people here would like to have their children like this? You want to know all the effects that things are having? Yeah. There could possibly be a link between ultra-high PM 2.5 levels and nitrous dioxide levels with what it's doing to the bodies of not just animals, but to us. Absolutely. That's why I do this. There are nitrous dioxide levels for Canada. Edmonton, you're pretty high right now. Now, obviously, with the cow, we're not looking at like an immediate effect. Those are long-term effects. But either way, those are still the effects of it. Okay? The extinction of the human species as you know it. Because it's only got like a 30% survival rate when that happened. Los Angeles is 71.18. Was looking at around 18, and Mexico City is looking at 33.95. So really, it's something to look into. I mean, you can have respiratory issues, you can have throat, nose, and eye irritation issues, coughing, wheezing. There's all kinds of issues. I mean, plus neurological issues. I mean, you can wind up with a bunch of different disorders because of that stuff. It's nothing to joke around with. Oh, Rio de Janeiro, 1977. Hey, 2128. Went up a little bit. These are our numbers for our family down under. Down under? Down under where? Haha, I said underwear. Looking at Thailand, Philippines, and New Guinea, Indonesia. Kuala Lumpur is 53.59. Surabaya is 46.94. Jakarta is 31.85. And Bangkok, whoop, watch out, is 20.69. For Japan, Tokyo is looking at 19.81. South Korea, actually, let's just jump here. Hong Kong says 21.58, but I'm showing 102.57. Man, these guys, 28. Like, seriously, what an insult. Talk about under-reporting. So I'm looking at 105 at the highest for Hong Kong. South Korea, 75. They're showing 43, and well, Seoul is showing 73. So that's pretty accurate. Wuhan showing 62.95. Shanghai is at 55.95. Wow. So is reported. Got another area right up here. That's showing pretty high. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. Here we're looking just west of Doha, Saudi Arabia at 80.42. Looks like up here in Baghdad, Iraq is 39.75. Tehran is at 62.94. Tripoli is at 37.22, and Cairo is at 41.02. Again, these are nitrous dioxide levels that we're dealing with over here, see? So, again, Milan, over there for their little fashion shows, all the models are over there just sucking all this poison and dying. 99, well, not really, well, gosh, I hope not. 99.59 meters cubed for nitrous dioxide in Milan. London, you're at 2654. Up here near Gloucestershire, you're looking at 1553. You're actually looking okay. Not sure about what this place is right here, but I know it's Ukraine. 55. Volgograd, we are looking at 49. Oh, make that 60. Yep. Volgograd. Yeah, I'm probably saying it wrong. My apologies. Canada and North America are looking good for PM 2.5 with the exception of right over here off of California. I know Los Angeles is down here, so I don't know what that is, but watch out. You're looking at 42 meters cubed. I should probably zoom in on that, huh? And then we got this other spot down here in southern Mexico. We'll have to take a peek at that. Okay, San Jose. Yep, San Jose, California. Be careful, your numbers are kind of high there. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Oh, you gutless bloody wonder. Give me my hand. Give me the tab. There we go. Yep, 44. Looking pretty high there in Mexico. Right near Central America, so yeah, if you can pronounce it, good for you. I'm not even going to try. The southern tip of South America here, look at this. This is Falkland Islands. And it's registering 114, you hear that? Registering 114 meters cubed. And then there's this round little pop. I wonder if there's a volcano over there. That's 58. I would almost bet you that there's a volcano going off over here. Ooh, we might have to investigate that. According to earthquakes.volcanodiscovery.com, I went ahead and tapped on all so we can see all the volcanoes here, but Falkland Island doesn't show like it has any volcanoes. But, brothers and sisters, when I actually kind of, zoomed in on here, I see a little caldera right here, and I see another one here, and here's another nice round caldera right here. I see volcanoes here, folks. That's what I'm seeing. I see this being as a volcano. I mean, even this nice little round spot right over here, that's a caldera. I don't know. What do you guys think? Think Falkland's a volcano? On to the folks down under in Australia, we're looking at 89 meters cubed right over here just north of Perth. Perth is showing 62, but yep, I don't necessarily believe that at all. And of course, that's 89 meters cubed of PM 2.5. Again, we're on PM 2.5. These are very high numbers. Karatha is looking at 38. Mutabura is looking at 18, and Canberra is 7. Sydney is 16. So on the East Coast, you guys are okay, but this area is definitely way high. And this one's a little high for my liking. In parts of Africa, we're looking at Dakar with 81 meters cubed, and the northwestern section of Chad, we're looking at 115 meters cubed. Yep, so take a pause and take a look at your numbers, folks. And this is what we're looking like for Europe and England. So PM 2.5 is actually doing quite well for everyone here, except for all, of course, all the supermodels down here in Milan. Yeah, 81 meters cubed. It is not looking so hot for y'all, that's for sure. What is going on here? Northwest of Baghdad, we're looking at 125 meters cubed. Right here near Lahore, 163. My gosh, 170. I was going to say, could it go higher? But yeah, oh, there we go, 177. Very nice. Dunbad, 114. Over here near Calcutta, 165. Just south of Kathmandu, looking at 135. Over here in China, just north of Hong Kong here, looking at 112. Look at which direction the air is blowing. It's blowing right down into Hong Kong. So that 22, that's not the number. It's going to be 112. Right up here next to Badong, 124. Wuhan is registering 64, but I'd be running off these higher numbers, folks. Over here by Yan, just east of it, 91. Stay safe out there, folks, and remember, there's a reason why I do this. I'm not just doing it just for fear porn, a fear monger. I'm not. You have your short-term side effects of things that can happen to you, but then you have your long-term effects. That's what I was showing you. Those are long-term effects of things that happen. We need to be aware of this. Please remember to stay safe, keep your eyes open, and remember that love is the only way forward.